'cause her mama loves Jesus. America too, she's a good girl. Crazy about Elvis, loves horses. Her boyfriend too. It's a long day living in their cedar. There's a freeway running through the yard, and I'm a bad boy 'cause I don't miss her. I'm a bad boy for breaking her heart, and I'm free, free falling. Yeah, I'm free, free falling. Oh, the vampires are walking through the valley, move west down Ventura Boulevard, and all the bad boys are standing in the shadows. All the good girls are hung with broken hearts, and I'm free, free falling. Yeah, I'm free, free falling. Plucker as I saw things again with you. Was hopefully another interesting little ditty for you. Classic song from Tom Petty, of course, and Free Fallin'. Standard tuning, but I have a capo on the 3rd fret for my version. Okay, so this is a version for a single guitar. Obviously there are multiple guitars on the actual record, but we're in the same key as the original, and this is for a single acoustic guitar version. Okay, so a very simple number really. It's basically the same chord sequence all the way through the song. Okay, so starts off with a D chord, and then we've got this G sus2 chord. Okay, so what I'm doing there is when I played a D, then I add my pinky to the top E string 3rd fret, and this, okay, this 2nd finger comes off the top E string and goes up to the bottom E string 3rd fret. Okay, and it obviously leans in a bit, so it mutes the 5th string, so that's fine. Okay, should sound like that all the way down, 6 down to 1. Okay, so once again D, then this D sus2, add your pinky to the 3rd fret of the top E string, take your 2nd finger off and put it up to the 3rd fret on the bottom E string. Leave the first finger where it was on the 2nd fret of this 3rd string. Okay, so now you've got that first 2 chords. It's D, bit of a pause, and then this G sus2, bit of a pause, and then you do a quick G sus2 back to the D, standard D. So you've got, now you've got, and then a straightforward A chord. Play it like that, or you could play lazy A if you wanted to. I tend to play a normal A most of the time on this one. Okay, a lot of people play an A sus4 there. I don't hear it on the recording I heard anyway. I think it sounds more like an A, straight A chord to me, but a lot of people play it with a sus4 on it. I don't, try it if you like it. I don't think it is on the record I heard anyway. So let's get to it. So they do it again. And you do that twice. Single strokes is fine. Again. And then we go into it, it's exactly the same thing but with words, okay? She's a good girl, loves her mama, loves Jesus, America too. She's a good girl, crazy about Elvis, loves horses, and a boyfriend too. And then does an instrumental one again. You can strum this one if you like. And back to the single strokes again. It's the next verse. It's a long day, living in Reseda. There's a freeway running through the yard. I'm a bad boy, 'cause I totally miss her. I'm a bad boy, for breaking her heart. Now we come into the chorus, it's the same chords again. And I'm free, free falling. Yeah, I'm free, free falling. And then we go into another verse again with just single strums if you like. All the vampires are walking through the valley, move west down Ventura Boulevard. All the bad boys standing in the shadows, all the good girls, the home of broken hearts, and of course the free. You strum this if you like. Falling. Yes, I'm free, free falling. Right, now comes a little instrumental, same as usual, but a little bit of a break if you want to put that in. It's a bit quick to put it in, but it can be done. And it's the same chords, you just go the D to the G, sus2, then back G sus2 to D. Instead of going to the A, you do this. Right, so all it is a 4th fret on the D string. Or you can do it 2 hits or 3 hits, it's up to you. Down to the 2nd fret on the 4th string. Open D. 2nd on the 4th again, and then D again. Once all the way around again, repeat. Right, sorry, do it again. Alright, so it's twice around that basically, so you go. Repeat the whole thing. Right, and then there's another guitar comes in obviously later in the record, and we do this muted, palm muted sort of chord bit. All I'm doing there is I'm just putting this very light pressure, back edge of the hand here, somewhere near the bridge, and muting the strings, very, very light pressure. And it's like chunking the 5th string, the 4th string, and then you go to that G sus2 and you do the bottom E string and the 5th string really. And then a quick change, as usual. G sus2 back to the D, and then a lazy A. I tend to play a lazy A, and just chunk the 5th string and the 4th string and the 3rd string. That's right. That's very deliberate. Dun, 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 I just finished up on a D chord. I mean, also there is some more chords, choruses and verses which I didn't actually put in, just to try and keep the lesson relatively short. Okay, so there you have it. But it's like all the way through. There's nothing else in it. Okay, thanks very much for listening. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson.